In this quick video, I am going to show you how to group in Alight Motion. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel to help me reach 1000 subscribers. So as you can see, I have a couple of layers on my timeline, and if I want to group them, so for that I just need to hold on their layers from this side. So we just need to hold on it, and then our first layer will be selected. You can select as much layers as you want. So I just want to select all layers. Once you select all layers, then tap on this icon from the top side. So we need to tap on this icon, and there you go. I have successfully grouped all my layers in a single group. Now if you want to move or adjust the position of your layers, then for that we can select the group and then go to move and transform, and from here we can move all of our layers at once. And in case you want to add an animation, then for that we need to tap on this diamond icon. Once we tap on it, then our keyframe will be added, and then we can play our video, we can move our things around, and then we can play our video once again. And now if I want to place it here, then as you can see, my animation has been added on my all layers at once. Now in case you want to change anything from your group, then select your group and tap on edit group. Once we tap on it, then you can see all of your layers from your group, and you can move any particular layer from your group, and then you can simply go back from here and the change will be made on your group. So this is the process. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.